Hello, my name's Lacey. I wanted to be a YouTuber, essentially, and pop on here and say, hi guys. This is a really, really simple hack for mass unsubscribing from your YouTube channels. I've kind of been looking for a solution for a little while, and there didn't seem to be anything quite as practical as this. Don't let it intimidate you. It uses a little bit of JavaScript, but I promise it's really easy. Um, there's nothing within YouTube itself that allows for this. Of course, they want to keep us on the platform and engaged. And the only other tool is called SocialBox, which uses the YouTube API, and it's a little bit buggy. It doesn't let you fully unsubscribe from everyone the same day, stuff like that. So hopefully this helps someone out there. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'm more than happy to answer them. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I don't want to, do the other classic YouTuber thing, which is have a super long intro. So I'm going to roll the video and yeah, enjoy. Hopefully this is helpful. If it is, let me know because I do have a way of doing this to also clear out your watch later playlist. I think it would work for any playlist. Again, just clear it all out in one swoop without having to manually do it. So if you want to see that, let me know too, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Let's get started. So we're going to go to this URL, which I'll make sure to share down below. It's a publicly shared repository on GitHub. If that doesn't mean anything to you, don't worry about it at all. You're going to go ahead and click this link here. As you can see, this isn't actually showing us everything in one screen. So in order to see that, we're going to click this button here that says raw. Huge, kind of intimidating. Again, nothing to even worry about or concern ourselves with at this point. For our purposes, we're just going to go ahead and do Command A if you're on Mac and Command C. So we're going to copy everything and we're going to save it to our clipboard. And then we're going to go to our second URL of note, which is the channels URL. And this is where it lists everyone that we're subscribed to. So this is where the work starts. I guess there's a couple ways that you could do this. If you want to just unsubscribe from everyone in one go, you can proceed to steps 2B, but I'm going to really quickly do 2A, which is I'm going to go ahead and open the channels that I would like to stay subscribed to in a new tab. So Allegra Shaw, for example, I love her. I would like to keep watching content from her. I'll open that in a new tab. I love Ben. He does really great tutorials if you're curious. Obviously Casey and Claire, of course. Furry Little Peach, you get the point. I'm going to really quickly do that, and then I'll come back once I have done that and continue on with the tutorial. Okay, so now I've gone through my big list of everyone that I'm subscribed to, and I have opened a new tab for the channels that I would like to resubscribe to once I'm done clearing everyone out. So shout out Puno is my current and probably long-time favorite YouTube channel. If you've never checked her out, I would highly suggest. She is a ray of light. So moving on, we're going to go here back to our channels list, and we're going to right click and go down to where it says inspect. And so this opens up a kind of scary looking little console or sidebar here that just includes basically the HTML that makes up this website. So we're going to go to where it says console, and so this is where it might get a little scary. We're just going to do a Control V, and so what we're doing here is pasting in the code from our other page. And once you've pasted that in, all you have to do is hit enter, and instantly you will see the magic start to happen. Basically, it's just going through and unsubscribing from everyone for us. Let's see how long this takes to do. Yeah, okay, so I think it finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and just do Command R to refresh the page. And you see that I have absolutely no one that I'm subscribed to now. Amazing. If I go to subscriptions, it's empty. And if I go to trending, that's where everything is. So subscriptions is empty. And it's really as easy as that. Yeah, it's the best solution I've been able to find anyway. And so now all I'm going to go do is come back and basically just resubscribe. So there we go. Puno for sure, Naomi, of course. I am having to hit Command R So it's a little bit annoying, I suppose, because it needs to refresh and remember that I've unsubscribed, but now I'm going to resubscribe back to those two channels. And if I go back over here to the those are supposed to be channels, we're going to see those two pop up again. And so it's really that easy. Yeah, I hope this helped anyone, and happy YouTubing. Okay, bye.